If sound works everywhere else on your phone but disappears when you play a game through Mistplay, check the game's own audio settings. First, because Mistplay does not control the sound inside the games it offers. By the end, you'll know how to tell whether the problem is Mistplay, the individual game, or your phone's audio settings, and which fixes to try first. Start inside the game itself. Open the game settings and check the music, sound effects, and volume controls. Some games have separate audio switches, so your phone can have the volume turned up while the game itself is muted. Next, check your phone's media volume while the game is open. On Android, press the volume buttons and make sure you are changing media volume, not just the ringtone volume. Also, check whether your phone is connected to Bluetooth headphones, a speaker, a car system, or another audio device. If Bluetooth is active, disconnect the device temporarily and test the game again. If you're using Do Not Disturb, Game Mode, or another gaming feature, check whether it changes your phone's audio behavior. These settings vary by device, so disable the feature temporarily and test the game again. Now, check whether the problem affects one game or every game inside Mistplay. If only one game has no sound, close it completely and launch it again through Mistplay. Mistplay recommends launching games through its app so gameplay can be detected correctly. If the game still has no audio, Mistplay says problems that occur inside a specific game should be reported to that game's developer. Or .camo .mistplay. If multiple games have the same sound problem, restart your phone and reopen Mistplay. Mistplay's general troubleshooting guidance recommends restarting the device and force stopping the app when troubleshooting app problems. Mistplay.com. You can also clear Mistplay's cache. On Android, open Settings Inc., select Hub C, choose Mistplay, open with Storage or Cache, and select Clear Caching. Mistplay lists clearing the cache as one of its troubleshooting steps. Whatspy.com. https support.mistplay.com. HC and US articles 13 trillion 599 billion 189 million 329,691. General troubleshooting tips. Admin source chatchip.com. Do not immediately clear the app's data or uninstall Mistplay unless necessary. Start with the simpler fixes because they do not require setting the app up again. The quickest order is: check the game's audio settings, verify media volume, disconnect Bluetooth, restart your phone, then clear Mistplay's cache. If sound is still missing in only one game, contact that game's developer. If sound is missing across Mistplay games, contact Mistplay support and describe exactly where the audio stops working. If this fixed your Mistplay sound problem, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.